Hi, this is Andrea from Your Marketing Machines, and thank you for the opportunity to be able to present to you the services that Your Marketing Machines offers. I hope you find this outline to be of some value to you, so let's get started. Your Marketing Machine Blueprint is essentially developing relationships with your leads through every step from generator, nurturer, prospector to converter. We focus on marketing and communication efforts to ensure you connect with your community on every level. So you are the first and only service provider. Essentially, we create your machine. We build it with you, and along the way, we actually educate you on how to use your machine to the most or to the maximum efficiency. So let's get started. There are 4 solutions I'm going to present. Solution 1, getting started. This is establishing your foundation and creating a platform for you to communicate with confidence to your audience. This is not a quick fix. It does require a minimum of 3 months investment. However, we do recommend 6 months for exceptional results. So what's involved in getting started? Essentially, we start with developing out your marketing and business plan, and this is absolute key. If you have a plan, fantastic. We would require access for that so that we can update accordingly as we shift, change, implement, and create processes and systems to streamline your marketing. Why do we do that? Because we know that any implementation we have is actually going to affect your operation overall. Your database is a big part of your marketing machines because there is a lot there that your database tells us about how you have operated your business and, more importantly, the type of people that you have been servicing. So this is not an overnight job. It's real important, very similar to that of a forensic accountant who checks all your finances to give you an indication as to the health of your business. We do exactly the same in actually analyzing all of your marketing data. It's incredible what you can find out. So the more data you can give me, then the more efficient we can become in creating database segmentation for you. We develop out a 12-month marketing schedule or communication schedule, integrating all of your marketing channels. And we do this so that we can determine the quality and the quantity and the consistency of your communication out there to all of your audiences. Furthermore, we audit all of your marketing material, both online and offline. Once again, we're looking to see what message you're actually sending out into the wider world. We look for inconsistencies from one marketing message to another, and more importantly, we look at the impact of this on your brand, both good and bad. All of those reports we actually present back to you as well as part of our strategy in building out your marketing machine. Step number 2 for us is once we've analysed all the data, we can then begin the development of your CRM and email communication systems. In this instance, we will present you with 2 or 3 options of platforms that we recommend would work for you purely because of the type of operation you have or the type of products and services that you present. You'll hear people talk about touch points and how it takes 7 touch points to convert a lead into a sale. In actual fact, it could take some of you up to 12. So we implement up to 3 components of 12 from the communication relationship communication model. And I would be more than happy to share with you more information about the CRC. One of the key points for us also is understanding your products and services and consumer matching. In some cases, you may have products which have multiple consumers. You may also have multiple products that match to a few consumers. We need to be able to do that so that we can determine characteristics and how best to market to those specific audiences. We analyse your current communication so we can determine the effectiveness and the efficiency of what you're currently doing right now and how best to integrate it into the strategy going forward. And we complete for you 1 newsletter communication per month. Now, as part of getting started, we also test and measure. It's not always 100% first time out. So the key here for us is to fine tune and to make slight adjustments. The advice and support that we provide comes purely from a non-bias approach. Essentially, because we are looking at marketing from a bird's eye view and taking an holistic approach, we know that you're going to be bombarded by people selling you different marketing services. And sometimes it's great to have an opinion from external, from your own business. Maintenance and managing is real key for us also. You may be managing a number of different marketing service providers, and that actually could be quite frustrating for you. So once again, because we're here from a strategic perspective, we want to be able to assist you in managing those particular communications. Solution number 2, be competitive, your market of own uniqueness. In solution 2, you receive all of the getting started components, and this is where we begin to establish your nurture journey with your leads. This is a minimum 4-month to 6-month investment to achieve your desired results. So, what's involved in Be Competitive? We implement up to 6 components of 12 from the CRC model. We increase your email communication to 3 a month. We can now begin market development research, looking at 2 potential markets for you and providing you with key information to help you to create the right decision going forward from a market development strategy. We integrate one of your digital platforms into the marketing machine. That can be either a Facebook or a LinkedIn or an Instagram or a YouTube. And that's once again up for discussion and dependent upon your strategy. We will begin the creation of video content with 1 video per month, and we will begin to introduce marketing reverse engineering processes. Now, it's a bit of a mouthful, so when we get to meet, I'd love to share that with you in more detail. Solution number 3. This is where we are ramping up. You've established your foundations, we've created that market of uniqueness, we've started to communicate a little bit more efficiently with your leads. It is now time for us to introduce prospect conversion and start to look at creating additional marketing assets for you. At ramping up, you're looking at a minimum 6-month to 12-month investment to achieve your desired results. Okay, so what's actually included in Solution 3? Well, we now shift to implementing 8 of the 12 components of the CRC model. We increase your email from 3 to 5, and before you go, whoa, Andrea, that's overkill, I want you to actually stop and resonate. Some of you may actually have a newsletter EOY that you collect off your website. So that requires a different style of communication. You'll have multiple segments. They require unique email communication. So, be mindful, 5 email communication campaigns aren't a lot. We're going to look to research up to 3 markets for you. We can integrate with 2 digital platforms, and we're going to look to produce 2 videos a month. Included also in ramping up, we begin competitor analysis, looking at 3 potential competitors, depending upon the types of markets you want to engage with. We can write up to 3 monthly articles or blogs for you. Prior to this, you're providing us with all of those. This is where it gets really exciting, and we start to create new promotional tools and resources for you. We look at your referral strategies and integrate that with your reputation and credibility management, and we start to revise your sales conversion funnels. Solution number 4 is your accelerator. This here is the big kahuna. It's your completed fit-for-purpose marketing machine. Now, it is not suited for all businesses. It is a 12-month investment of time, effort, and energy. And this is where it's a partnership between my organization and yours, because we are building you an automated machine. It is designed to be scalable, so do keep that in mind. So, your completed fit-for-purpose marketing machine is essentially everything you have wanted to do with your marketing presence but been afraid to. This is managed with you, and we put you firmly in control so that you can produce quantifiable data to create clearer business decisions. Inside your accelerator, it is unlimited email communication per month. We implement all 12 components of the customer relationship communication model. Market development for up to 6 new markets. It's a complete digital platform integration. There is unlimited competitor analysis and recommendations, and the production of 4 videos per month. We can now fully manage for you all of your article and blog communication if you wish. We develop content for all your new promotional tools and resources, and that's super duper exciting. We look at multiple referral strategies, and if you go back and review the Your Marketing Machine Blueprint, you'll see that referral strategies is an integral part of lead generation. Your reputation and credibility is across multiple platforms. You'll find that there is the development and implementation of public media strategies. We create professional presentations for promotions and sales so you can pitch with confidence. We realign your current digital media strategies, and we do that in conjunction with your digital media providers. More importantly, we look at your database lead analysis, and we start to analyze once again what's actually going on with all of your marketing. So, what Your Marketing Machine does for you. Essentially, we're a team of marketing skills ranging from graphic design through to sales conversion, public media presentations. We provide industry forecasting and business development expertise to best position your business. And that has a lot to do with the market development research that you will see for solutions 2 to 4. Weekly accountability sessions are non-negotiable, and we're scalable with your business. When you run the numbers, you'll find that we're probably about 77% cheaper than employment, which is staggering. So I want you to look at us as being an investment rather than a cost. So let's talk about the financial investment with the different programs available for you. In getting started, this is where we build out your marketing foundations. That's $2,100 per month or $525 per week. Be competitive, developing out your market of own uniqueness is $2,900 per month or $725 per week. Ramping up your machine efficiency, this is where you get all of Solution 1, all of Solution 2, and a ton of extras around prospective conversion and asset creation. That's $4,100 per month or $1,025 per week. And finally, your accelerator, the machine automator. This is your completed, fit-for-purpose marketing machine built for your specific requirements. This is everything, the whole kit and caboodle is $5,500 per month or $1,375 per week. All of these are GST exclusive, and there are discounts available for monthly payments of up to 10%. So, your next steps. I'd encourage you to go back over the proposal once again, or this presentation, and identify with the program that you believe best suits your desired requirements. Do the numbers, it's real important, and also consider how we can be used as a resource to achieve your goals. Plan for a minimum 3 months of time, effort, energy, and financial investment. And yes, it is your decision. And before we get started, I do like to actually come and meet with you and find out a little bit more about your current situation, your business goals and objectives, and also what you're doing currently from a marketing perspective. So, once again, this is Andrea from Your Marketing Machines, and I want to say thank you very much for allowing me the opportunity to provide you with an overview of the services that Your Marketing Machines provides. I look forward to hearing from you in the very near future, but please, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to get in contact with me. Take care and speak soon.